Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to decline friend request in AFK Arena. To decline a friend request in AFK Arena, first of all, open the AFK Arena application and log into your account. Now you might want to tap on this little arrow on the top right under Quest, which will expand a pop-up menu where you'll need to tap on the Friends button. After tapping Friends, go to the bottom left and tap on Friend Settings. All of your friend requests that you have received will be displayed on this page. To decline a request, tap on the little cross mark right next to the player. Do the same for any more requests you'd like to decline, and that way, you will be able to decline a friend request in AFK Arena. Now you can easily manage your social connections without any unwanted requests. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.